Isaac. Reel it in. Reel it in. You've got a great white. Keep going. You're doing it. Now swing it out. Swing it. We got to reel it in just a tad. Now swing it out. Swing it.
Hey Isaac, look at me. Look at the camera. Tell me what you're doing.
Swing it out. You know what? We got to reel it in a little so it's shorter so you can throw it. Yep, reel it in. Keep going. Nice. Nice. This is the fun part for him. Nice. Stand back a little bit. Stand back just a little. Let's reel it in a little. Reel it in a little so it'll go farther out.